The United States of America is regarded as having the strongest and most advanced and undoubtedly best funded military in the world. Some of you may have been surprised to find India in fourth place on that list, a country perhaps not renewed for its military strength, but in recent years it has experienced vast modernization. In 2020, Indian military, fourth largest and powerful military in the world. So that's why today we are talking about Indian military versus United States military comparison. But you know India and United States always best friends, especially from last 5 to 7 years. Firstly, we're talking about military expenditures. United States total military budget 610 billion US dollar. Other side India total military budget is just 55.9 billion US dollar. United States used 3.1% of GDP in military and India used 2.5% of GDP in military. Now talk about manpower. United States active personnel 1.28 million and other side India total active personnel 2.14 million. A huge ahead for India. United States total reserve personnel 8,11,000 in India total reserve personnel 1.15 million. Again ahead for India. Let's talk about land forces. United States total number of tanks 6,393 and India total number of tanks 4,426. United States total number of fighting vehicles 41,760 and India only have 5,681. A huge head for United States. United States total number of artillery 3,269 but India total artillery 5,067. Let's talk about most important thing and that is air forces. United States total number of aircraft 12,304 but India total number of aircraft is just 2,260. United States total number of fighter aircraft 457 and India total number of fighter aircraft 323. A little ahead for United States. United States having total number of attack aircraft 587 but India total number of attack aircraft is just 220. United States total number of helicopters 4,889 but India total number of helicopters reach just 725. Let's talk about one more important thing and that is Navy. United States total number of naval 437 and India total number of naval 240. United States total number of aircraft carriers reached 20 but India total number of aircraft is just 2. United States total number of submarines 71 but India number of total submarines only 50. Let's talk about most important thing and that is the nuclear weapon. The United States of America total number of nuclear weapons 6,185 but India total number of nuclear weapon is 135. A huge level of ahead for states. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and guys don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please press the bell notification.